Number one, try it out, play with it. Don't be afraid of it. I think it's important that you at least try it out, use it for different things, find out the limitations, find out the uses of these different AI tools. Number two, be aware of any orders and any courts in which you're practicing. Many courts now have their own standing orders with respect to the use of AI. Number three, also ask any law firm. If you're working with a law firm or you have a summer job, ask them what their policy is around AI. A lot of firms do have very different policies. Number four, be careful about confidentiality. Oftentimes, different AI models or different tools like Gemini or GPT are not confidential. And when you use information that is client protected and you put that into an AI model, that can violate confidentiality. Number five, be aware of the intellectual property issues. Oftentimes, things are copyright protected but included within, for example, a large language model. It's important to be aware of those issues as well.